folks, we are on our way from Guwahati driving towards Shillong. We are taking a short trip for one day and we are going to stay in Umiam Lake. Right now we are somewhere in Nongpo. We are crossing Nongpo and driving towards Umiam Lake. Nice and empty road. Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? And we just stopped here at the Sardarji's Dhaba for some customary puri stop. And he's bored. Dinner time in Nicholas Hotel in Umiam Lake, that is near Umbir. And yeah, right now we are leisurely driving our way towards Umiam Lake. We just stopped here at Little Sheds, the highway Saga, 1.5 kilometers towards Amsning and another 32 kilometers towards Shillong. We just stopped here for some meal and some more rest, and this is where we are going to have a food. Let's see if we can try some local fare. And the weather is nice, cloudy. It drizzled a bit, not rained heavily yet. A bit of drizzle, and weather is nice and cool. And once we have our food, we'll continue. One chicken thali, local khasi chapati.
Yeah, we have the local smoked pork.
And these are the local Khasi dishes, and we are going to have smoked pork with bamboo shoot. This is a dal sort of thing with some boiled vegetables. This is smoked pork with bamboo shoot. This is brown rice with some karela fried on top, and this is a boiled squash. This is aloo sabji, and we have some tomato chutney and some more chutneys here, salads, and we have some more chutneys with us. This is the fish chutney with some tomato and chili paste, and this is a chicken pickle sort of thing, and some more chutneys to go along. Let's start with some fried karela. And some of those fresh vegetables fried. So let's take some of the dal and mix it with the rice, and let's give it a go. The boiled lady's finger. Now let's try some of that smoked pork and bamboo shoot curry. And we are almost done. They have a small bakery counter as well, so we just checked out some bakery items post lunch. so that we could take home with us.
So we just done with our lunch here. Now we'll head back on our road to Umiam Lake.
And now we're here at Umiam Lake. Now we'll take a right from here towards Umbir section of the Umiam Lake. हट जाओ भाई लोग, हट जाओ, हमें जाने दो, हमें होटल जाना है, बच्चा मेरा थक गया है, वॉमिटिंग भी किया है, अभी रेस्ट लेना है, जाने दो, जाने दो. And this is the Umiam Lake view on the left side.
So we are just besides Umiam Lake now. We almost reached. Another 3 kilometers.
La Nicolas.
We will reach La Nicolas, the resort we are going to stay tonight. We just turned right from the Guwahati Shillong highway, and now we are headed towards La Nicolas. This area is called Umbir area of Umiam Lake. And, another 5 minutes we'll be there.
मेरा गाड़ी उल्टा क्यों जा रहा है, मेरा गाड़ी उल्टा क्यों जा रहा है, ओ न न न मैं तो होटल की तरफ वापस जा रहा हूँ. ओ नहीं नहीं यार, मैंने ओरिजिनल वीडियो जो है ना आने पहुंचने वाला वो मैंने डिलीट कर दिया था, इसलिए मैंने रिवर्स कर दिया. मेरा वापस जाने वाला वीडियो उसी को सिर्फ यही दिखाने के लिए मैं पहुंच गया था.